I've still heard of too many people that are just using the chatbot feature within either Claude or ChatGPT. So if that's you, there's this mode inside of Claude that you've probably never heard of, and it can actually do things for you on your computer. It's called Claude Cowork, and here's everything you need to know if you want to start using it, and the 3 most practical use cases for you. Be sure to bookmark for later and follow for more AI and digital marketing tips. All right, so in regular chat mode, Claude just answers your questions. This can be powerful if you just want to find out some piece of information, but it's 2026 and AI tools have gotten far better than that. So here's exactly how you can take advantage of these tools with a tool like Claude Cowork. Because essentially in cowork mode, Claude can actually go and do things on your computer for you. It can read and write files directly. It can build real Google Sheets with formulas. It can connect to external tools like Gmail, Slack, Calendar, Google Drive, Notion, and it can handle long-running tasks without timing out and without having to ask you a bunch of questions. So here are 3 of the most practical use cases for Claude Cowork. The first one is that you can organize all of your digital chaos permanently. You can organize your downloads folder, your desktop folder, the random stuff folder that you made back in like 2022. Cowork has the ability to audit hundreds of files at once. It can identify things like duplicates, and then it can create a logical folder structure for you. And all you have to do is hit approve, and it goes and organizes that, renames it, does everything for you. Number 2 is that it can turn a research rabbit hole into a finished document. Here's what I mean. Instead of spending 4 hours in browser tabs, you can describe to Claude Cowork what you need. For example, research the 5 best CRMs for a solo consultant, all under $50 a month, and give me a comparison in a spreadsheet. Cowork's gonna pull from the web, it's gonna synthesize all the data, then it's gonna deliver and hand you a finished Google Sheet with all this information organized for you. And the same thing works for trip planning, buying decisions for any product, competitive research, anything. And then the third most practical use case is that you can process a pile of notes or files into ready to send outputs. You can point Cowork at a folder of meeting notes that hopefully you already automated the creation of. You can point it to voice to text transcripts or to any rough doc, and you can tell it, turn these into a weekly summary report with action items for every single person involved. And then if you've connected it to an external tool like Slack, you can tell it to Slack every single person their to-do items from that meeting. It does all this for you. You just tell it up front what you want it to do. If you want a done for you Claude Cowork system out of the box, you can start using today with some of the most powerful workflows, connectors, file systems. We're going to be releasing that in the near future in our Zero to Automated School community. We'd love to see you guys in there. Link in bio.